Hi, welcome back to Twist Fashion. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't, please do. I'm going to be making a black headband with diamante and pearl trims. So what you will need is 131 centimeters of ribbon. Mine is what is this? I think it's 3 centimeters wide, 3.5 centimeters wide, and it's 131 centimeters long. But you could always buy a cheap black wide headband from eBay if you prefer to use that, or Primark have got cheap ones. Okay, let's get started. So find the middle of your headband. Gonna fold it, and then so obviously you can place them however you want. I'm going to put the jewel in the middle, and then I've just bought some appliques, or you could just use all different kinds of beads, or whatever you want, and the design is also up to you, of course. I've seen a lot of ones with gold jewels, they're very pretty. Right, that's in the middle. I'm going to just make sure it goes, because these jewels are a bit hollow, so just make sure the ribbon goes in. You could always, for security, just do a few sewing stitches just to make sure that stays on. Right, that's that. And I'm using fabric glue. This is just from Wilko, if you live in the UK, but if you just use fabric glue, if you can't get hold of that, or a hot glue gun. So I'm just going to glue this one on as well. Yeah, and it's just really quite simple to make. So if you like the idea, please like this video. I'm just going to leave a little gap in between the appliques, whatever you want to call them. La 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 la. Cool. Right, another one of these. Do 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 do. Ah. Yeah, because I was looking for a headband with jewels on, and they are quite expensive, but then I do understand all the beads are expensive, and it's probably time consuming as well, but if you can just make your own, why not? I've got lots more DIYs in the pipeline, and some that I've already done. If you have any ideas that you'd like me to try, please leave that in the comments. Oh, oops, it's my phone. Never have phones on. Never mind. So, and if you were to get a little bit of glue on the ribbon, you can just get a little cotton bud, put some nail varnish remover, and you can get it off like that. But luckily I haven't messed up so far. So that's that. Da, da, da. Last one. Whoop. Bit more. And actually this is a different glue than I normally use. I think this is actually stronger. It smells a lot stronger as well. They ran out of the other one. Because this can also stick wood and stuff. And there we go. Alright. And then the ends, what I normally do, you can put some clear nail varnish on the end so it doesn't fray, or if you like a nice sort of zigzag, I'm going to just fold it in half and cut the corner off. and then you can always put nail varnish still if you like, and that also will stop some fraying. See, it's already frayed, so I'm going to stick some nail varnish on the end. Do the same to the other side. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks very much for watching, I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you in the next video, or you see me, I don't know. Okay, thank you, bye!